It's me, your KaCheesyMosa girl. So for today's video, I'm with my sister and we're going to unbox Vivo! At bago lahat ng yan, sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe sa akin, click the subscription bell and notification bell down below para updated kayo sa lahat ng videos ko. So, tara na, unbox na natin. Nga pala guys. My mom's purchase Vivo Y11.
Vivo Y11.
Color is mineral blue and yung isa is agate red. Yes, red. Yeah, my favorite color. Yan, with 5G ready SIM. Yun guys, bubuksan na namin. Wow! Yeah. Ayan po yung likod.
Tignan mo sa akin. Parang kay mama. No? Yan yung red dog. Parang kay mama. So cool.
Yan po, Vivo Y11. And with freebies na po siya. Yung freebies niya po is mini speaker from Vivo.
What? Christmas?
And also this aerophone. Oh.
Ay, ate, nabuksan na.
And this one, na makakatulong talaga para pang-hold ng phone niyo. And also, charger. And then, may kasama pang case. Yan. Ito guys, yung Vivo Y11, na-launch siya noong October 18, 2019. And yung body niya, yung weight niya is 190.5 grams. Yung build niya is glass front, plastic back, and plastic frame. SIM niya is hybrid dual SIM. And then resolution is 720 by 1544 pixels. And yung platform niya is Android 9, Fun Touch 9.1, chipset Qualcomm Snapdragon 439. And also, yung memory internal storage niya is 32 gigabytes and 3 gigabytes RAM. And yung main camera niya is 13MP and 2MP. Triple yung camera niya guys. Dalawa sa likod and isa sa harap. Selfie camera is 8MP and yung video is 1080p at 30 fps. Yung sound niya is loudspeaker and also 3.5mm jack. Features niya is sensors, fingerprint, and yung battery niya is 5,000 mAh, so meaning matagal tumalobat. And yung gaano kabilis siya ma-charge is 10W quick charge. And yung price na to guys is 6,499 pesos na siya ngayon. And nabili namin siya sa Cybertech Ideal Gadgets Corporation. And for your information nga pala guys, Yung Vivo ngayon is meron silang Grand Christmas Give Back promo sealed with a wish where you can get a chance to win from more than 700 billion worth of granted wishes and prizes. Just purchase any Vivo smartphone from November 16, 12:01 a.m. to January 11, 2021, 11:59 p.m. to join. And guys, hindi po to sponsor. We're just fans of Vivo. Makakakuha ka ng grand prize niya, brand new Ford Ecosport, and up to 10,000 worth of wishes, 45 wishes granted. And also air purifier worth 7,999 for 150 winners. And the last one is Bluetooth earphone worth 2,499, 900 winners. So, yun nga guys. Kung balak yun rin naman bumili para sa mga loved ones nyo ngayong Pasko ng cellphone, why not buy a Vivo? Right, sis? Yeah! Napaka-worth it nga talaga bilhin nito. We love Vivo. So, ayun nga guys. Gusto ko lang sabihin, ihabol na sabihin sa inyo na lahat kami dito sa bahay, Vivo talaga yung gamit. And talaga napatunayan namin na ang ganda talaga ng quality ng Vivo. Nung una kong phone is Vivo talaga. Nung grade 9 ako, tapos bagong labas pa nun yung Vivo V9 and binili ko siya noon. At hanggang ngayon hindi pa siya sira, buhay pa talaga siya. Ito siya, oh. Napakalakas talaga ng Vivo. I'm a huge fan. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button down below and also the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos ko and for more videos. Bye!